Hello class, welcome to Third tutorial. In this in this video, we'll be discussing the second part of the chapter reflection. As I promised, I'll be solving some numericals to show you how to do it. First thing, I am not solving anything from the exercise because the exercise is very small. I don't want you to miss anything, and I want you all to do that exercise. So I'll be solving some sums from your examples. So let us go straight away to page number 164. Class, page number 164, question number 1. See, he is telling there is a triangle A that is 1 is to 2. So x is 1, y is 2, b is 4 is to 4, b is 4 is to 4, and c is 3 is to 7. So I have three values. A triangle where a is 1 is to 4, b 1 is to 2, 1 comma 2, b is 4 comma 4, and c is 3 comma 7 is first reflected in the line that is y is equal to 0. In the line that is y is reflected into 0, and a triangle that it is made, that is a dash b dash c. So this is a new triangle where it reflected on the y axis. So what will be my value at that point of time? We need to understand. See, since the reflection in the x axis is given by what is given by mx, so mx. So my value here x minus y, it will become in the y when the y is 0 and it is in the x axis. So my new triangle here will be 1 minus 2, for this 4 minus 4, and for this 3 minus 7. Three new values I will get. Okay, so this is my three value, a dash, b dash, c dash. So a first answer I got. Now second question is, it is reflected in the origin. It is reflected in the origin. So if a triangle is made, and when a new triangle, first it was 1 comma 2, somewhere like this a triangle was made, okay, and we made it somewhere around here, okay. Now it need to reflected, second question, it has to be reflected in the origin, and we need to write the coordinate of that. So we need to write here what will be my value. If it is in the origin, here both things are negative. We know that both parts are negative, but it is just when it is reflected in the origin. What is first needed to understand? What is needed to reflect on the origin? So minus x comma minus y, as I said. So my answer will be, this value is 1 comma minus 2. So when it is reflected, this will change to minus 1 comma 2. Here it will change to minus 4 comma 4 and minus 3 comma 7. So they have interchanged their value. So we got the three parts in this value. Now see, we will come to page number 168. And we are solving 168 page, example number 6. Okay. So first read a question using the graph paper. I don't have the graph paper, but I will make it normally. You have to plot it in graph. So my first value, use a graph paper this question. Plot the point P is equal to 3 comma t and Q is equal to minus 3 comma minus 2. So see, if this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So first they are telling you to plot P, that is 3 is to 2. So somewhere my value will be here. P is equal to 3 is to 2. My first value is this, 3 is to 2. Second question, then plot Q, that is minus 3 minus 2. So my value will be somewhere here, minus 3, minus 2. So this is my value of Q, minus 3 and minus 2. Okay. Now they are telling me write the coordinates of point M and N when it is on the draw a perpendicular on the x-axis. When we are drawing on the perpendicular on the x-axis, what is the coordinate of M? See, if we draw a particular, this is the coordinate of x, and for this is 3, 2. So this is, sorry, here is the diagram. So this will be here. So my first question, that was coordinate of M will be 3:0 when it is drawn perpendicular up. 3:0 for M, and N will be my this one, this diagram. So here my value will become, N will be minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0, because see, minus 3 comes here, 3, 0 here. So for this I got M, that is Pn, and this is Pn. Okay. So this is my N and this is my M. Correct. So I got the first question. Second question is, name the image of P on reflection in the origin. See, we need to reflect this in the origin. See, this is P is equal to 3:2. So my value in the origin is this. It has to come here and it will come as same. So my second question answer is say minus 3, minus 2 in the origin, or that is equal to Q itself. The third question, what diagram it will make? See, if I join this and this, my diagram is little not good, please. So my third question, I am making a parallelogram here. Correct? See, parallelogram diagram. And last question is write down the coordinate of point to which M is mapped on the reflection of x-axis. So x-axis is, for this if you are telling me to find the area, that is you have to use the formula 2 into half into area of triangle PMN. So 2 into half into 6 into 2, that is coming as 12. 2 into half into 6 into 2. See, if M is reflected on the x-axis, that is 3, 0, it will be again 3, 0 itself. Okay. For M, it will be reflected and it will come as 3, 0 itself. For M, if it is reflected on the y-axis, this will change in minus 3, 0. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and the last part is if it is reflected on the origin, it is giving minus 3, 0. So these are the questions which usually comes in examination. Now, if you come to page number 167, example number 5, we find a question, the point P 5, 1 and Q 2 minus 2, minus 2. So P is equal to 5, 1 and Q is equal to minus 2 and minus 2. Both are minus 2 are reflected in the line X, that is equal to 2. Use a graph paper to find the images of P dash and Q dash of a point P and Q respectively in the line X, is equal to 0. Take 2 cm equal to 2 units. So the graph of the line X equal to 2 in the straight line, that is AB, will be shown, which is parallel. To find P dash of the image P, we have to mark P dash at the same distance behind AB as P is before it. Since P is 3 units before AB, its image will be P dash. So clearly the coordinate of P dash will be minus 1, 1. And in the same way, since Q is equal to minus 2, minus 2 is 4 units before AB, the image will be 4 units behind the AB. So Q dash will be 6, minus 2. I can show it this in graph also, like this is a graph. Okay. So X is equal to, first we need to plot the value of P, that is somewhere around here. P is equal to 5 comma 1. Okay, and so P dash, as I explained in the last part, that will be minus 1 comma 1 P dash, and Q, first we need to plot Q, that is minus 2 somewhere out here Q, and here 4 times it has to go, so this will become 6 comma minus 2, this will be Q dash. Okay. The last question for today, come to page number 169, example number 7. 169, example number 7. So let us, we have to use graph paper. So the point A is 2 comma 3, B is 4 comma 5, C is 7 comma 2, and they are vertices of triangle ABC. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, somewhere here. Minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we need to plot A, that is 2:3, somewhere around here. 2, oh sorry, this will be my mistake, this will not be in negative. This will, all the things will be the y minus. Okay. So if someone is trying to plot A, that is 2:3, so it will be around 2:3. Here will be A. 2:3. B will be 4 comma 5. B will be 4 comma 5, somewhere here. B will be 4 comma 5, and last is C. C value is 7 comma 2. 7 comma 2, somewhere here. Not here, sorry. Somewhere here. So I'll make a triangle itself here. See. Okay. 7 comma 2, this is C. ABC is a triangle. 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5, and 7 comma 2. The first question, write the coordinate of A dash, B dash, C dash if A dash, B dash is the image of triangle ABC when reflected in the origin. So my value of A dash, B dash comes here. So it A dash will be minus 2 comma minus 3 will be here A dash. B dash will be minus 4 comma minus 5, somewhere here. B dash, and C dash will be minus 7 comma minus 2, somewhere around here. So this is the reflection in the origin. Second question is, write the coordinate of A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. Is A double dash, B double dash, C dash is the image of triangle ABC when reflected in the x-axis. So this is reflected in the x-axis. If this is 2 comma 3, this will become 2 comma minus 3. A double dash, B dash will be 4 comma minus 5, and C dash will be 7 comma minus 2, somewhere around here. So A double dash, B double dash, C double dash value will be this. Okay. So what is the formula? I mentioned the special name in the quadrilateral BC. We take these 2 points BC and C double D, B double D. मतलब we need to take B double B, this and this value I have to take. Okay, last question. And we need to find the area of the trapezium. We can find area how half into BB double dash plus CC double dash into 3. This will be my formula. So half into 10 into 10 plus 4, not into, plus 4 into 3. So I get the final value as 21 square unit. So this is a reflection. This is the page number 169, 7th sum. So this is how it comes in your board examination. I have already shared the solved examples around 8 with Saurabh sir. He will be updating as soon as possible, and after that I'll set an assessment. This is end of the class. Whatever you have a doubt, we will discuss in the live session class. Till then, bye bye and good night.